What's going on, guys? I am in country number 7 of Sweden. I am here in Stockholm. I just got here, and as you can see, it's a little bit cold out because I have my beanie and I have this trench coat on. But yeah, I have no plan for today at all. I just figured I'd walk around the city. I need to get some toothpaste, so I figured I'll try to find some store, and then I also want to get something to eat, but there's a McDonald's right across the street from where I'm staying, so I'm probably gonna go there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys on a little bit of tour of Stockholm, and then I'll pick up the video tomorrow because it's already a little bit later. It's in the evening today, and the sun is only up for about 4 to 5 hours a day here in Sweden during the winter. But anyway, should be fun, so let's get into it. It's a nice Swedish elevator. Here's the hotel I'm staying at. There's Swedish, I have no idea what that says. Alrighty, out on the streets here in Stockholm. Probably have to do some filming tomorrow because the guy said the sun's gonna go down in like a half hour. But yeah, see what I can get into. I'm filming on my phone now. My GoPro SD card got corrupted again. Got these banana chips I'm gonna buy inside a Swedish grocery store. I'll try to find some toothpaste though. It's currently like 2:45 p.m. You can see it's already getting dark, but Sweden is just so far up north that that's just how it is. Just a nice area I found. Nice church there. If you look back that way, there's a Christmas tree decorated there. A lot of Christmas spirit here. But it is unbearably cold. I mean, I knew it would be cold, but man, it just is. It's so cold out, and it's only like 3 o'clock, but I'm about to call it a night. Alright guys, it is now my second day here in Sweden, and it's time to go back out into Stockholm, hit the streets. So I got my book bag ready to go. I just need to throw that thing on and we'll be good to go. Okay, so just got a taxi ride to the Parliament building here, and it's starting to snow, but it's all right. So there is the City Hall, which I believe is like the Parliament building or something. I'm not really exactly sure, but I'm just gonna keep walking over here because it looks like there's a really good picture spot over here and a nice view. There's a nice view there. Might be kind of hard to capture on GoPro, but yeah, so far pretty nice city here. So I like the boats here. It kind of reminds me of Copenhagen with the boats, but that's really cool over there. This is a really nice area. Ran into a nice Swedish lady. I just had her take my pictures, or take a picture of me over there. But yeah, so far it's a great city. I'm trying to decide where exactly I want to go now though, so I'm not sure, and it's getting cold outside. This street looked interesting, so I figured I'd see what's up here. I am fully buttoned up now because it is cold outside. It's like 10 a.m. or so, I think. The sun's gonna set around like 2 or 3, so don't have much time. That's why I came out here in the morning. But yeah, let's see what's up here. Okay, so I think I just walked onto a school, like literally just, I'm not gonna try to show anybody, but that building right there, I believe it's a school because there's kids outside playing. Like, oh, they just walked through an open gate, or a bunch of other people walked through, and there's a bunch of kids over there playing. So I guess it's like a school campus, something like that. I have no idea. This is a steep sidewalk here. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.